Good morning, YouTube. How is everyone? Welcome. Good morning, good morning. All right, market's open. My coffee, I forgot to start it a while ago. So it's being made right now, so I gotta run and grab it just here in a second. All right, I'm back.
To be honest, to take the shorts, we need to break price action really nice below A16. Now, for me to take the longs, we should be recovering daily level A62. Oh man, it's going fast. It broke A16 really fast. The next level I have is 737.
Got a PMI at
Morning.
Good morning. PMI at 9:45. Then at 10 a.m. we have news as well.
Okay, let's see if we want to recover this guy A16.
What's going on, Thomas? Good morning. I gave away some Apex evals in my Instagram live. Should I give away some more here? YouTube? I think we'll do the take profit giveaway tomorrow. Stick with Apex today. Andrea, DM me on Instagram. And you can have one of the accounts. I'll send you the code. You can pick any account size with it. Free eval. Jed Bentley, DM me on Instagram. You can have one. And Anna Conterio. So there's 3. So I've gave away 6 total today. Tomorrow is take profit giveaway. So
Maybe it won't happen now.
what's up, everyone?
So let's see what happened at 737. The next follower level I have 737.
What are we watching this morning? What's your favorite setups, YouTube?
Maybe they will break it.
NQ bouncing pre-market low hard there. I'm going to give the market at least 30 minutes before I take a trade this morning. Let it settle.
What are you looking, Christian?
I just want to see what we're gonna do because you know what's been happening. We'll have a big push down. It'll break pre-market low, then it'll trend back up and chop for the first bit. But I at least want to let the news get out of the way after 10 a.m.
Yeah. That's the only thing that I don't like.
What up, Team Ball?
What's up?
Morning.
Making you host,
I like
Jaden.
the test of 816.
That's great. Congratulations to everybody.
Good morning, Mr. J.
Lucy, Madman, can you give Lucy the email or like
816 from below.
Lucy, if you DM Madman or myself on the Instagram, we'll send that over to help you get it fixed. Oh yeah, good coffee.
Maybe a little kiss from below. 816.
Little
Or
keys.
shorts. Let's see. Yeah.
Good
A little
keys.
kiss, maybe.
Just a little keys.
Up a little bit. Let's see.
Oh.
Price action. Yes.
I'm not going to be around super long today, so see if we can make something happen in the first 30 minutes.
No, you gotta stay all day with us.
Yep. Be in Wyoming, man.
Heading to Wyoming? What's in Wyoming?
Where my new place is.
Okay, guys, we're heading from the Lake Arrow 862.
Going back to my Nebraska Midwest roots.
Are you like moving there permanently?
Semi, 6 months of the year. Over 6 months.
I'm gonna have
It's
to
only an hour and a half from.
move to Missouri after the capital gains thing.
Yeah, approaching, almost approaching 862. Approaching 862. Question is, what's the plan? What is the plan?
Corey,
How was your guys' weekend?
they a follower sent me some information about it. My DM. I haven't looked into it. I'm sure he's on here.
Never seems long enough.
Approaching 862. Now. Approaching 862.
Never seems long enough.
What's up?
Weekend never seems long enough.
That is true. This AMD's looking interesting.
Is it AMD?
Yeah. Look at it.
Trying to get my Thinker unloaded. Running a little late to the party today. Got my edge clear up for my futures.
YouTube, any questions you have, drop in chat. If you missed the Apex accounts giveaways, that's okay. I'm going to give away some take profit tomorrow.
This is going to be a massive opening range.
Excuse me.
As a reminder, reminder, y'all choose discipline over dopamine today. Focus in. April setups only. Grizzly using a standing desk? You standing right now or you sitting?
No, I stand all the time. I don't sit at a desk anymore.
When you start standing too. I have a standing desk. I just really haven't used it.
Is Trump really speaking right now?
Man, I was so salty. Sad for Halliburton getting hurt last night. Congrats to OKC on the Timu title. Timu title.
They were playing with A62. The one A62. 4 minutes to the news. I'm gonna wait for the news. It's already close, very close to this, so and we are just playing with this daily level, so standing by. I'm not gonna trade right now. I'm gonna wait for the 9:45.
Welcome in, everyone. Remember, drop your questions. Now's the time while we're waiting on this data to drop. I don't really have a bias. We're just in this crazy range. I'm just ready to get away from it.
Yeah, pre-market high and low mapped out. We also have our 15-minute low mapped out. We'll see where our high ends up being. That injury is horrible. You can see it pop, bro. Whenever you see an Achilles like that, man, that's a long injury to recover from. Long injury to recover from.
Yeah, I'm here. Everyone's just getting woke up. It's Monday. Woke up at 5. No, I woke up at 4:40 a.m. Usually wake up at 5, but just couldn't sleep.
All right, we have our in, Gene. Discipline over dopamine. Now let's lock it in. Let's lock in the Green Day. Oh, I didn't realize I wasn't sharing screen yet, guys. My bad. While talking about how it's mapped out, but y'all can't even see it. That's crazy. Whoops.
What time did I go to bed?
There we go.
9ish, I guess. 8, 9ish. Try to get to sleep by 10 at least.
There we go. And I was so salty the Pacers lost. Signed a salty Nuggets fan.
No trades. We had data drop, then we got more in 14 or 13 minutes. We got more news and stuff. So. I can't sleep in. I just don't have that ability. I don't know. Sometimes I just wish I could sleep longer, but I would just feel like my morning was wasted, I guess, if I did, you know. I'm going to give some more of them away tomorrow, all business. I gave some Apex away already in here. I mean, I just wish I could nap. I can't nap. Oh.
Let's see.
Dropped my other phone. I'm not crazy about this reject area. I like this one up here much better.
Yeah, we missed that trade. Thank you, Lance. The bounce on A16. Was not convinced with the price action. That's why I didn't take it. Perfect bounce in the 936 candle.
If you tried to blindly long oil, oh sorry, Greg, what were you saying?
I know. The next level I'm looking is 956, the next daily level. Right now, QQQ is touching daily level 5 to 7.91. Important daily level. So, maybe get another retest of A16. Yeah, it was too fast, that's true. Also, the price action was not clear to take the loans at that level. So that's why I didn't take it.
Ten more minutes till data. Then we can actually look for a trade.
Started a baby piece of longs, everyone. Small ad first. Of longs.
Jaden said he entered longs on NQ, everyone.
Small ad. About this size.
I didn't take it.
90 to 880. And 890 890 to 880, and then hard stops below 860. I did try it though. Fit our volume, fit our breakout. Did try it down there. The longs, everybody. The risk is worth the reward. Little bigger risk on the first ad because it was a smaller ad, so I'm willing to have that risk go down to my hard stop at 860. If you want a little safer ad per se, you can wait till 885 to 880, but I wasn't willing to miss the move, so try to early. I have room to add as well. Yep. Totally. I mean, you're already up, depending on Bill, 10, 15 points.
8 minutes until data, everyone. Let me show you real quick, YouTube.
Almost 20 points here. Closer. If we break this high, we'll be up 20 points.
We have this 10 a.m. existing home sales. Real quick, YouTube. Can we get the thumbs up to 100? Just take just a second to hit the thumbs up.
This, guys. And we do have news in 7 minutes, so manage how you see fit. I'd like to see us break the high and keep going up. You know, always manage your positions how you see fit. It's going well so far. I'd like to see us break this high, though. I have not trimmed at 14. Almost 20 points. There we go. 20 plus points here. 20 plus points here. I'm going to take one off. One calling off. Let the rest run. Let the rest is running, guys. I really think that if we can hold this on her, we can get more out of this. So holding the rest.
Jay done with the.
And let's see if we can keep moving up.
Making some money off the open.
Good trainer.
Thank you, bro. There we go, guys. Let's keep this moving. Hit 30 points there at 26. All right, now I'm gonna trail my stops up to break even here, guys. I'm gonna trail my stops up to break even here, guys, just because if we don't sustain this breakout, we can always find an entry later. Position was small. Still gonna have a decent day. For playing a trade. For a Monday, which statistically I don't trade as well.
Anybody take that with Jay Dunn?
Let's go. T-Bulls, you want to ride this long with me? Or am I just talking to myself? Let me know in chat if y'all took that. If y'all took that with me. How much y'all made? How much y'all been your evals funded your live accounts?
I'm watching this AMD for an entry for calls, but I don't know if it's gonna. It may sell off some. We'll see.
I wish. You got ultimate size on. Let's go. We got 364. Yes, sir. We got James at 360. We got A's off at 2,500. 50K. Cap at 250. 20. 400. 100. 623. 605 times 3. 70. 408.
5 minutes till data.
Times 10 accounts. It's awesome. 230. 230. 104. 200. Only 200. Not only 200. That's great. Not only 200. $200 a day average is $50,000 a year.
Yes, it is, Dan.
Let's go. Let's see if we can keep moving this up. Stops or trade to break even.
Nice trade, Jada.
Thanks, bro.
Did Gene rip that with you?
Gene, did you take it? Yes. Let's go. All right. That's all right. You took it white. It was early. Good news coming up.
It can be. Not always, though. Sell arm. That's Trey Dunn's friend, I guess. Mentee, I don't know. I'm not crazy about this reject area here. YouTube, if you take it with Grizzology, just be sure you know your, have a plan. Stop loss, take profit, all that good stuff. I like the next zone up, personally, this one. Appreciate you all for hanging out. I do my best to answer all questions put in chat unless I'm focused on a trade.
Still in this trade, guys. So you're aware. Still in my baby long. Still in my baby long. Hard stops at 896.25.
Two minutes. 2 minutes until data drop.
The reason I like that retest of that high is we've moved down, aggressive move back up, higher volume on the breakout candle. We also didn't just have the orb. We also had this break of structure here. If you're on screen share, you can see it. A pre-market downtrend break of structure with high volumes. When we test that down, automatic, I'm down to try it every time. I'm going to win that setup 5, 6, 7 out of 10 times. If I can even win it half the time and have decent risk reward and hold my runner, as we're doing now, I'm going to be very profitable over time. That's how I think of risk. So it's a no-brainer for me to try that setup as we pushed back down, had that nice aggressive move back up now, and we're still climbing.
Remember, real quick while we're waiting on this setup.
Come on, baby. Keep pushing for
Wait
us.
a second, this AMD's looking interesting.
Let's go! Yo!
There you go.
All right, one more off. One final baby runner to either the moon or death. Let's go, everybody. That's what I'm talking about.
Nice.
Let's go! Yo, for a Monday. That's what I'm talking about, guys. That's what I'm talking about, my friends.
Okay, guys, I'm looking 956 and 944. You get mad if I take the shots?
Take them, bro. Rip them.
Greg says he's looking for shorts, everyone.
This level 956 and 944.
That's what I'm talking about, bro.
Greg is not in, I don't believe, everyone. He'll say, I'll let you know. For those that's wanting to catch this trade with Greg, if he takes it, I'll let you know when he goes short. And I'll try to let you know his average.
Oh, you are rejecting 944. Standing by, looking for a section.
Let's go.
Quite a bit of buying volume here, everyone, so be cautious.
Eval pass, straight call it, my man. That's when you eat some hot cheese.
It's more aggressive, I guess is a better way to word it. More aggressive buying here. Zone is invalid, correct. Michael, oh, I about knocked off my phone. I'm dropping a new Grizzology guide for you all. Updated one. It's ready. And for those that are subscribed to Grizzology, if you have any, for that, if you want something added for the next update, reach out to me.
Now that we're up 50 plus points, everyone should be mostly out, or at the minimum have one runner remaining.
Okay, Greg's not in shorts. Jay Dunn's about to close his trade or just letting a runner go. So real quick, everyone, I like to say this when we're not in a trade or one's not close to confirming, but if you want to trade futures with us, try funded accounts. You don't want to risk your own capital. Go to grizzlytrades.com. You'll see Take Profit. Try them out. Use code Grizzly. One of the best in the game. I do plan on giving away some accounts tomorrow from them, so be here for that. And that's all. That's it. Continue. Bill, you should be able to update it. Come right here. The update should be, you should be able to update it there. This is, I told you all earlier, this is the main zone I was watching for a reject. I wasn't really interested in this one. If you want to upgrade to lifetime, just DM me Goins. I'll see if I can help you figure it out. I don't know if I have the option still available or not. I'd have to look. I would have to look. I want to make a bag this week. I'm ready to get focused back in on trading with you all. Creating them automated strategies has had me all over the place. Not really interested in anything right now, everyone, unless we pull back and retest that 30-minute range. What are you all watching? right now, what's your favorite setup now that we're past the 30-minute mark? It's quite a bit to watch, Jonathan. Will you? Oh yeah, Team Bull, I'm here. Just watching this AMD was in the watch list. Might have missed my entry on it. Pulled back to VWAP like I wanted. I just didn't take the trade. We had all that data. We had the 10 a.m. data, rather.
So close. This one I might just trail my last micro stop up and just let it chill. Just have a stop set and just let it vibe the rest of the day. We officially got the mega trade bill rolling. You know what has to come next, Greg? You know what has to come in the admin for?
The trophy.
Nice, Jonathan.
Look at that.
Yeah, A62 was a level. That was good.
Yep.
That's what I'm talking about, baby.
I'm expecting maybe.
Not that I know of, Terry.
956.
None that I'm aware of.
No, it's on Gene. Oh, but he's a wow. It's a wow, I know. Thanks, Bobby. Appreciate you, bro. Let's go, baby. We're about to get out of here in the next 10 minutes or so, too.
Do you like flying or are you just gonna drive, Jaden? Probably walking, hiking.
Good choices in my head and what to make decisions.
I don't. A little bit lower, and that's gonna try some longs, but we bounce early. YouTube, what do you all think? Where would be a good entry now? Let's hear your thoughts. From now on, the trades we take are group decisions. So let's discuss it quick. Give me your thoughts. If we're looking for long entry, where will it be? That was my thought. 21,940 area down to that. Yeah, my vote, we reject this, or if we get a nice reversal or a nice pullback to this area and we see a possible entry, we try some longs. So we're all watching that the 940 area, 21,940 area. Seems like. The thing that worries me, it looks great, right? We have the fair value gap, pre-market high, top of the 30-minute range. But this market has been reversing hard at pre-market highs or pre-market lows. So we got to be cautious. Thanks, Bill. 29 more thumbs up, everyone. Let's get it there. Be at 100.
You guys got anything on watch, Craig? Grizzly?
Can you hear me talking?
Now I can, sorry.
Looking this.
I was watching for a pullback.
Probably gonna head out of here soon, fellas. I head out here soon. I got a lot of things to take care of today. 100 points on NQ, honestly, MNQ, excuse me.
That's all you need.
Yeah, no reason to force anything else for me.
No, I'm not in a trade. I'll let you all know if I take anything. I'll be very clear.
Don't know.
I like this AMD to the upside. I'm just hesitant to trade options anymore. It looks good. Analysts called AMD the next big AI winner. We'll see.
I will not be around for power hour today, Jordan.
It's awesome. Love seeing you make money.
This would have been a massive day had I had my second ad there. It's too much pressure having the position on the screen. Rather focus on calling bangers and making bread, helping you all learn the process as well. Hopefully this screen share with all the levels marked and the education has helped you guys. Yeah, it's just too much pressure, man. But try to be as transparent as I can when I enter X to how I'm going to manage my trades. Today we made $1,100. Real cash.
Well, I just now seen. I couldn't even see the buy through over the phone. I wasn't paying attention. Grisology's trying to confirm the trend. tried a light size of AMD calls, everyone. This is not going to be something I'm going to actively manage, so manage your trade. But I like it to the upside. I went with the 133 calls this week expiration.
Looking at NQ shorts, guys. I'm looking at NQ shorts.
I said the 133s. This week's expiration. I'm very light though. I'm not big on trading individuals anymore.
Trade a bait.
No, it's not a trade I'm gonna manage either. So if you take it, manage your trade, okay?
What? Yeah, there's no, you can't choose them anymore. At least you couldn't. I haven't actively been checking, but I don't think you can. Yeah, trade a bait's expensive, man.
I think NQ shorts. NQ shorts.
Greg just said he tried NQ short to everyone. If you want to try them with him.
992.
It's not a trade I'm personally taking, but Greg's an excellent trader. If you want to trade with him, feel free to. Yeah, the AMD could be a longer trade than than us scalping NQ.
Why would there be an issue with trade a bait though? No other problem. There's no widespread issues with trade a bait. I think it's because they don't want to pay the trade a bait bill anymore, which you wouldn't believe how much it is. Especially for them. Put it in perspective, back in my prop firm days, it was 6 figures a month. Trade a bait. So the trade today for me, Greg, talk over me if you need to, was we broke the 15-minute high. If you're on the screen share, you'll be able to see this. Broke the 15-minute high, had aggressive volume on that breakup. We had rising volume, as you can see here. Aggressively bought back, let's move down. We also broke this structure from pre-market downtrend with that break over high. So between those two confluences breaking this on the pullback, it was worth it for me to try and keep stops below this 860, below this candle here in NQ. So that's what I was looking for. That's why I liked the upside there. It's all risk reward, guys. It's not, I know this is going to happen or this or that, but it's all right. Well, where can I define my risk here? Where can I try to catch the trend? That's what I care about. Is I want to be on the right side of the trend more often than not.
Hope this prints for Greg, these shorts.
I'm going to be profitable over time. Just having the discipline to hold to your price targets.
For those that are here still, be sure you tune in for tomorrow's live. I'm gonna give away some take profit evals if you like using them. Any questions for me? YouTube.
Got 4 more minutes, guys. I'm out of here in 4 minutes. Got cowboy stuff to do today. Got Wyoming churning butter stuff to do like Greasley.
So you're churning some butter today?
Yeah. Churning some butter. What's up, Gene?
You want to see the data for this week? I can show you all that. Got it right here. So this is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
Come on, Q, come on. Come on.
Print for Greg.
Come on, baby, come on. Go lower. Come on, go down, go down. Give me my first string. Come on.
Print for Greg.
Give me my first string on Monday.
Hope you get violence to the downside, bro. Wish I was
Thank
able
you.
to sit around and watch it.
Thank you very much. So far, almost 20 points.
Well, if your 15-minute can close like this, you'll be looking great.
Okay, I'm gonna be trimming some here, guys. Just in case. Trimming some. Around 20 points. Stop loss break even. Let's see if we can break this daily level 956. That's why I'm placing my stop loss at break even.
Be sure you're managing this trade if you took it with Greg, okay? I don't want anyone having a red day after the first trim, okay? Dang, I think Jordan just ended the Zoom. No, it just kicked me out. Internet shut off for a second. I unplugged it and plugged it back in. Let's see. I don't know, my Zoom went off, Luke. I'm trying to get it back on. Kicked me off when the internet went. Well, it's not allowing me to join the Zoom back. I don't know. Well, YouTube, I think that's going to be it for today. Internet's being weird, kicked me off the Zoom. But I will be back in the morning. And remember, I'm going to give away some take profit accounts if you all can still hear me on here. Appreciate you all.